Can COVID spread from people to pets? The answer is yes, according to TGen, a genomics research facility based in Flagstaff.
And the first recorded case is here in the Valley. A man passed the virus to both his dog and his cat. Fox 10's Brian Webb has more tonight. Brian.
Well, the Arizona Health Department's been looking for people to take part in this study to see if COVID-19 can spread from people to pets. And now a Gilbert man, his dog and cat are the first recorded case in the world. Max Kraust, a scout for the San Diego Padres, had to leave baseball behind last spring when he caught COVID-19.
Super tired and lethargic, and it took about a month probably for me to feel semi-normal again.
Then he and his wife noticed their dog and cat, Ollie and Pua, had similar symptoms at about the same time.
He was more tired than normal, and he did have a little bit of a runny nose, which would have followed probably 2 days after Max.
That's when a team from TGen stepped up to the plate. They tested Max, Ollie, and Pua. Their findings show both pets did catch COVID-19 and had the exact same strain as Max did.
And we were able to learn that even though this wasn't any special variant, the strain of the COVID-19 virus was identical amongst the owner and the two pets.
Haley says TGen is testing 24 more pets to see if COVID spread the same way to get a better understanding how often this happens.
We don't have all of the genetic evidence in place yet, but we can deduce that, yes, these other animals that have tested positive in our program have definitely gotten the virus from it being exposed to their owners.
Max is now fully recovered and back on the baseball diamond looking for the next major leaguers after hitting a home run for science with a little help from his dog and cat.
Weird to think that we might have been, or I guess we were the first, scientifically proven, transmission between human and pet, but at the time we didn't really think much of it.
There is no evidence of the virus spreading from animals to people beyond the first suspected case coming from a bat. And there is only one recorded COVID-19 pet death at this time, a cat in Arizona that had other health issues. If you'd like to find out more about the TGen study, we have that information at fox10phoenix.com. Live in Phoenix, I'm Brian Webb, Fox 10 News.